Hey kids, JD here. One of my social media followers asked me that since I did a coffee recipe if I have anything for tea. Turns out, cooking, carving, and scarving has just the thing. And they do it without it being all frou-frou. So we're going to go ahead and make that right now. But before we do, if you have a request, something you would like to see, or if you would like to join the conversation, social media links are below in the description. Alright, let's do it. All the ingredients will be listed below in the description. Now we're going to read the recipe verbatim from the book. This is where the fun starts. Squeeze the juice from the lemons and grate the peelings. Add this mess to the quart of hot tea. Add sugar and dissolve. Boil. Remove from heat and add rum, brandy, or both. Alright, so let's see how it turned out. So what I did is I went ahead, put some ice in a cup, figured we'd do it this way. I'll still add booze to the pot. I thought we'd try this once without, and then once with. So let's go. Oh, this is really good. I mean, it's super sweet. If you're diabetic, this is not for you. But if you're not diabetic, it's basically just a sweet lemon punch. There's just enough tea in there to bring out certain flavors, but not so much tea that it tastes like tea, if you understand what I mean. So it's really wonderful, fresh, citrusy taste, which it ought to with 6 lemons and all the zest. But we're not complete yet. Next up, booze. All right, transfer it into there, stir it around a bit. So let's see what rum does to it. You can taste a little bit of the booze. Mostly what it does is just add spice to it. Variety's the spice of life, but monotony pays for the groceries. Y'all know that. So now we need to take a second and we need to be honest. Is this real biker food? And the answer is probably not. Because in order to do this, you have to have a ton of produce. You have to have, the pot isn't a problem, but zesting lemons, that's kind of a problem. That's a thing. You have to carry around a bunch of sugar and a bunch of things you're probably not going to carry around. Now, if it's you and some friends and you're in a camp for a few days, sure. That would probably work. But for the solo biker, just out there doing his thing or her thing, probably not. Is it still good? Is it still worth having? Is it still good for get-togethers, for regular camping, for other things? Absolutely. And you should definitely 100% give this a try. And the other thing you should try doing is subscribing. Hitting me up on social media, leaving comments and likes below. I'm JD, and I'm out. Serve hot if you want to get bombed out of your skull. That doesn't actually happen. But in the 70s, they thought it happened that way.